In this video, I'll be sharing a promo code that will help you get a discount on Pacdora. To start, visit the official Pacdora website. Once you're on the site, click on the pricing plan to view the different options. You can choose between monthly or yearly plans. Opting for the yearly plan will give you an extra 43% off. If you choose a monthly plan, the Lite plan will cost you $14 per month. The Pro plan will cost $29 per month. And the Business plan will cost $99 per month. Below the pricing, you'll find the features that each plan offers, such as no watermark, different export qualities, and AI credits in increasing order. Take your time to review these features and decide which plan best suits your needs. Once you've made your decision, click on Buy Now or Upgrade. You'll be directed to the checkout page. On the left side of the checkout page, you'll find an option to add a promotion code. Click on it, enter the code TECH, and then click on Apply. You'll see that an extra 20% discount has been applied. Now, all that's left to do is fill in your details on the right and complete the payment procedure. That's how you can use a promo, coupon, or discount code on Pacdora. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.